No, this is Igbo Daily. Today we will be looking at the school, ụlọ akwụkwọ, and we will be mentioning some items that we can find in the school. Akwụkwọ is an example. Akwụkwọ is an example. Akwụkwọ means books. Akwụkwọ means books. Then mkpịsị odee. This directly translates to stick for writing. Mkpịsị odee. This is a pen or a pencil. We know that these ones are used to write. Then nzuodee means chalk. Nzuodee means chalk. Mgboodee means board. And nhicha means eraser. Nhicha means eraser. Nhicha directly translates to clean. So something that is used to clean is called an nhicha. So now we know some words that you find in school. Go out and use them